Good morning, all. Hope
Good
you can
morning.
hear me.
Yes.
Yeah. So last session, give me a second time. Last session, we have started the AR part, and we have posted few invoice on customer master data, and we discussed about what is down payment request customer with example. I think I have that example. Correct. This is the example we took, and we discussed about how many types of debts we have: book debts, bad debts, good debts, and clear doubtful debts. We discussed about these things, and we have created the reconciliation account customer, and we made a relation between one account to another account, right? Next one, and we have already created different alternative reconciliation account. That was the last step we have done in the last system. Is this clear, everyone? Any questions in that? Anyone have a questions?
No.
Okay. So now we will do a master data. We will create a master data. Okay, let's create a master data. First, we will create a vendor master data, and same party we will convert as a customer. So put a heading as a vendor versus customer. Means same party will be your vendor and same party will be your customer. Okay, so put a heading as a vendor versus customer. Vendor versus customer. So first, vendor creation. Let me log in. Okay, put a heading as an transaction code. First, we will create vendor creation. We know that the path already discussed in AP module. So directly I'm going with transaction code FK01. Put a heading as an FK01. FK01. Okay, company code UT01. So I'm going with.
Hi everyone, good morning. You're able to hear me?
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Are you not able to hear me, everyone? Hello.
Able to hear, Naveen.
That's what. Rashekar, I'm not able. We are able to hear.
Hello. Hello.
Rashekar, we are able to hear you. Okay, company code is UT01. Okay, and account group is. So we are going to create service vendor group. So USVS. Write down. Company code UT01 and account group USVS. Okay, so press enter. Press enter. So title, company. So vendor, create vendor. Natraj. Consultancy. Service Limited. NCSL. Okay. Vasanta Nagar. I'll take any address. Yeah, just write it down as it is. Once you're done, let me know. Done, right? So press enter. Okay. I'm not giving any fields here in this particular thing. Okay. Press enter. Press enter from here, this second screen. Again here, press enter. We will see this in banking module. Contact details also here. So give the reconciliation account here. So what is the reconciliation account? We have trade payables, right? So 1,50,200. 1,50,200. Sort key 012. Sort key vendor number 012. Cash management group. Cash management group A1. Cash management group A1. Domestic payments. Okay. Till here, write it down. Reconciliation account. This is nothing but we are making a relation between your trade payables to vendor account with 1,50,200 and sort key vendor number. Cash management group domestic payments. A1 is nothing but domestic payments. Okay. Press enter. Press enter. Payment terms here. So U001 immediate payment terms. Credit memo also U001. Okay. So pay terms U001. U001, U001. So which means payable immediately. So we have created a vendor called an Natraj Consultancy Service Private Limited, Services Limited. So click on save button. Once everything is done, click on save button. So vendor has been created. Write down this vendor number. Write down this number 420006, our vendor number. Next one, second step, write down customer creation. Customer creation. FD01. Customer creation FD01. Already we saw path in AR module. So I'll go with /n FD01. So here it is. USCS, right? USCS service customers. So company code UT01. Company code UT01. See USCS Ultra service customers. Company code UT01. Okay, press enter. Press enter. Company. Okay. Natraj, right? That is Natraj. We are creating same vendor, same customer. Consultancy Service Limited. What I'll do is or else FK03, right? FK03 spelling and everything. I'll try to have the same. I'll just copy here. I'll copy from here. So search name. I'll copy from here. Address also I'll copy. Sorry, 36. Just search it. Same address, whatever we have made for vendor, same address we are doing for, because it's a vendor versus customer or customer versus vendor. So the most important thing here is, okay, once you write it down, enter the customer name, same as vendor, and all the details as vendor account only. Till here, any questions?
No.
Press enter. Press enter. Okay. Okay. Go to control data. So here, vendor number we need to mention. So it's already there, but if you want to check, this is the vendor number. We need to make a relation between your customer versus vendor. Okay, vendor. Give the vendor number. Okay, just write it down. Write down 4200006. Okay. So so again, after entering these details, go to company code data. Give the reconciliation account. What is the reconciliation account? 250200, correct? 250 service receivable services. Okay. Write down this. What is for the customer? 031 for customer. Customer number. Cash management group. E1. Customer receipt. Write down this. So reconciliation account. Sort key 31. Cash management group. E1. Okay. Reconciliation account. So this is not 31 is nothing but customer number and customer receipt. So press enter. Okay, go to payment transaction. So terms of payment, same immediate payment terms. U001. U001. Okay, the most important thing is particular after giving the payment details. So normally what I saw is majority in configuration, people forgot to select this particular option. Clearing with vendor means clearing with vendor. Then only we are making a relation by giving a vendor number plus by selecting this particular option, clearing with vendor. Okay, just select this option. So we are making a relation between customer versus vendor and vendor versus customer by selecting these two options. Okay, select checkbox clearing with vendor. So these are the two additional steps we have in customer versus vendor. Okay, click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. Okay, now we need to make a relation FK02. Go to FK02. Okay, go to FK02. We need to give customer number. Okay. So here, instead of selecting all, what I'll select? I'll select control data. What are the things I need to change? Payment transactions. This is my 4206. Okay. Vendor, right? So what is my vendor? 1 second. What is my vendor number? Yeah, 4206. One second. Here, press enter. Sorry, select payment transactions, write it on this. Okay, press enter. Okay. So here automatically you can see customer number got updated. Just write it down. Customer is linked to vendor. Okay. So automatically it will be get linked because over there we have given a vendor number in customer master data. So automatically, okay. Write it down this. If it is automatically not picked, then we need to give manually this. We need to give manually. So payment transactions, what is the other thing we need to do now in payment transaction? Yes. We have given payment terms, right? But what we need to do? We need to select clearing with customer. We need to select checkbox clearing with customer. Fine. So click on clearing with customer. Okay. Click on save button. Done. So we are done with customer master data and vendor master data. Correct? Okay. So next one. Posting. Next step, right up. This is already done, right? Vendor creation, we have the post vendor invoice. Write down the path. First step, post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice. Write down the path. SAP menu. SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts payable. Document entry. Invoice. FB60. FB60. Already we discussed the path, right? So directly what I'll do, I'll go with the path. Sorry, I'll go with the transaction code /FB60. /FB60. So first we need to check whether we are in the right company code or not. Okay. So now we are in right company code only. Okay. Select vendor. So select vendor. Company code. So here we have created 42006. 42006. F4F2. 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 Okay. So I'm giving amount 42,000. So what is the invoice value we have selected in our example? I'm going with example value 40,000. Purchase invoice 40,000. 40,000. Okay. So I'm going here 4,50,000. Advertisement account 40,000. Just write it down. Reference number it is asking correct. Vendor versus customer 01. Okay. Write down. So 4,50,000. Okay. Business area UHYD. Profit center. Business area UHYD. Profit center U1000. Okay. So still here, any questions?
No.
Right. So press enter. Okay. Click on simulate. So entry you can see advertisement account debited to Natraj consultancy account. So post. So go to document, display. See it. So this is the entry. Write down this entry with values. Okay. So first entry we have completed. Okay. Okay. So let's see the report. So we will see customer report first because it is vendor versus customer. So FBL 5N. FBL 5N. This is the customer. I mean, again, I'll check. So UT01. Who is the customer? Natraj, correct? The same thing we got it. And click on company code UT01, customer number. So here I'll select all items. Select all items and posted in vendor invoice, but I'm checking the report in customer. Okay. Because it's a vendor versus customer. So here and here, keep the checkbox vendor items. Keep the checkbox vendor items. So what are the things? Customer number, company code. Okay, we have posted entry in vendor, but we are checking in customer reports. Okay, so here all items, vendor items. Click on execute. Click on execute. See here. 4206 is the customer line item report, but we are able to view vendor report here. Clear? Vendor, this is the vendor outstanding. Understood? This party is a vendor as well as a customer. Why it is able to, why we are able to show in why we are able to view in customer report? Because the vendor is linked to customer and customer is linked to vendor. So any questions here? So here it is showing 40,000 as an open item. So step number 1. Any questions here?
No.
Right? It's clear, right? So we are able to view customer invoice, customer document, customer report. In customer report, we are able to view vendor. Write down. Second step. This is the first step. There is the step number 2. Step number 2. When customer advance request, or you can write it as a customer down payment request. Whatever we did in vendor. Write down SAP menu, accounting, accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts receivable, document entry, document entry, down payment, down payment, down payment request, transaction code F-37. F-37. Now we are doing in this step. So here, down payment request. Down payment request. Clear? Okay, again, once again, I'll go with the path. Okay, so SAP menu. SAP menu. Again, I'm reiterating SAP menu, accounting, accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting. So which module we need to select now? Accounts receivable, accounts receivable, accounts receivable, document entry, document entry. Again, these are the normal document entries, right? Already we discussed about it. Okay. So here we have a down payment, down payment. So down payment. Okay. So this is all related to customers because we are in accounts receivable module. So F-37 request. F-37 request. F-37 request. Okay. F4, F2. F4, F2. Reference number, customer versus vendor. Document header text. Customer advance. Request. You know, right? What is the request and payment? The difference. Okay. So here I'll select. Natraj. Write down this. Date, DZ, document type. It's nothing but customer document. Reference number, document header text, and select the customer. Select the customer. Okay. Any questions still here?
No.
No, right? Press enter, indicator A, enter. Okay, what is the amount? So request is 35,000. 35,000. Okay, 35,000. Okay, 35,000. Write down the amount, 35,000, business area. So what was the business area we took? BHYD, sorry, UHYD. UHYD. Profit center. U1000. U1000. Customer. Advance request. Advance request. Customer advance request. Write on this. So due on today's date will give F4, F2. Just write it down. So what is the request? How many line items it will update it? Does it have any financial impact for request?
No.
How many
No.
items it will be get created? Down payment request, how many line items it will be get created?
One line.
Only
One item. One.
one line item, correct. So click on save button. Click on post button. Click on post button. Click on post. Just remember transaction. So requested 35,000. Okay, so but how much we requested here? 35,000, but how much we have received? How much we
30.
received actually? 30,000. Okay. Okay, let's go to the report. Let's go to the report. Give the customer number, company code. Click on all items. Okay. So if you see noted items in the normal items is nothing but, okay. So whenever if you want to check whether vendor is having a down payment request or not, okay, then we need to select noted items. Okay. So special GL, if advance payment already paid, then it will show it as a special GL. If you want to view only the noted item, means only down payment request is there. Okay. So noted items. So click on execute. Click on execute. See here, 40,000, it's a vendor versus customer. Now you can see in the bottom, 35,000. This is a noted item, single line item. Single line item, it will be created 35,000. Okay, 40,000 we have a purchase invoice and 35,000 we have a request. Clear, you can see here. So let me check special GL indicator. I'll show you in the report also. Special GL indicator. I'll move this here to here. Okay, you can see here. Special GL indicator, it will show F. Even though we have selected, so this is 40,000. So we don't have any special GL indicator. This is a normal item. So it is not showing anything. Now you can see here, special GL indicator for down payment request, it will take F. So whenever you are generating a report and if you find special GL indicator F, then what does it mean? It is nothing but down payment request. And if you are already paid advance payment, then it will appear as an A. That we will see. Okay. Any questions? Just write it down this F. Next, we will go to the step number 3. Write down customer advance receipt. Write down customer advance receipt. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till document entry. Till document entry. From there select down payment. So here you can see down payment request F-37. And here it is down payment, only down payment. It is nothing but transaction code F-29. F-29. Okay, so here I'll go. Down payment. So double click on F-29 down payment. F4, F2. F4, F2. Okay, a reference number CV01. Fine. Customer advance receipt. It's a not request, it's a receipt. Customer advance receipt. Okay, then next. So here special GL indicator account, customer account. So again, if you don't remember customer account, then go to account, search, Natraj, and here we need to select special GL indicator A. Special GL indicator A. So here it is creditor, it is debtor. So we need to select debtor. And here bank account number. So we have 2,40,000 cash account. Okay, amount, how much they are ready to give? How much they are ready to give?
30,000.
30,000, not 35, 30,000. Okay, we have requested for 35,000, but the customer is ready to pay advance payment only 30,000. Okay, so 30,000. Next one, customer advance receipt. Write down this. Customer advance receipt. So most important thing, remember this special GL indicator here. So does this particular entry have a financial impact or not? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yeah, because we are doing actual payment. So what would be the entry? What would be the entry? After posting, what would be the entry will get generated? Yes. What would be the entry?
Customer debit or bank cash credit?
Customer debit. Customer is a receiver or a giver?
Receiver.
Then how he will be debited? What is the personal account rule?
Cash.
Sorry,
Cash debitor.
cash account debited to customer account.
Customer credit. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we have not created a bank. So that's the reason we are giving it as a bank account. So now here click on request account. Click on request account. Press request button. Press request button. Press request button. So select this line item. So we have a down payment request of 35,000. But are we getting 35? No. So click here, create down payments. So select line item and next click on create down payments. Click on create down payments. Okay. So there is still 5,000 difference is there. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So double click on customer line item. Double click on customer line item. And make this as in 30,000. Make this as in 30,000. Okay. Make double click on customer line item and make the amount as in 30,000. Okay. Or you can give star also here instead of removing. So if you plus star, automatically the amount will be copied 30,000. Okay. Now go to document, simulate, document, simulate. Okay. So again, document. Okay, see here. These are the USD chances. Cash account debited to Natraj Consultancies. So what I'll do, we'll see post balance in USD currency. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just change it. Yes. So once again, I'm just writing it F4, F2, F4, F2. Customer advance receipt. Okay, anything changes? Customer 5,07,000, special GL indicator A. 2,40,000. Amount 30,000. Okay. Do we have any bank charges? No, right? Customer advance receipt. 30,000. Customer advance receipt. Okay. So click on document, simulate. See 30,000, 30,000. Natraj Consultancies, and click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. So now go to document, display, general ledger view. So here you can see special GL indicator A. Okay. So cash account debited 40 and special GL indicator credited 19. 29 special GL is nothing but debit and 19 special GL indicator is nothing but a credit. So advance from customer. Understood? 30,000. Okay. Now go to your customer report. So go back. See here, this is nothing but a noted item. Okay. Now, if you have selected special GL indicator, then that 30,000 amount also reflected. Normal item is nothing but your posted invoice to vendor. Noted item is nothing but request. And your special GL transaction is nothing but advance receipt from customer. Okay. So select it. So all items, normal items, special GL, noted items, and vendor items. Okay. Very important here. Try to understand the difference between special GL transactions and noted items. Okay. So noted item is nothing but a request and special GL is nothing but your payment. Actual payment we have received. Actual receipt we have received from customer. Okay. Click on execute. See, this is first line item is vendor invoice. Okay. Or purchase invoice. Next one. See here. 30,000 is your actual receipt. Okay. We can have a special GL indicator. Okay, so say copy. So I'm going down again. Okay. So here you can see 35,000. The indicator, special GL indicator is F. F is nothing but down payment request, right? And out of this, A is nothing but advance payment 30,000. Okay. Understood, everyone?
Yeah. Yes.
So out of this 30,000, so here we have in our example, out of 30,000, I would like to transfer, 20,000, I would like to transfer to security deposit account. Whatever amount we have received from as an advance payment, we want to keep this particular, out of this 30,000, we want to keep this 20,000 as a security deposit account. Okay. This is also special GL transaction, and security deposit is also special GL transaction. So here next step, fourth step, write down. So advance receipt, write down. Transfer from special GL to special GL. So within the bracket, write down. Transfer from, within the bracket, write down, transfer from advance receipt to security deposit. Advance receipt from security deposit. Okay. Yes. So here the most important thing we need to understand is, so here we need to understand what is source and target. So source and target. We need to understand this. Okay. Or first I'll make this as a target. Okay. Target is where we need to transfer. Target. Yes, where we need to transfer the amount 30,000 out of 30,000, 20,000 where we need to transfer. Security deposit, correct. So our target is security deposit. And what is the source? From where we need to transfer?
Advance from customer.
Advance from customer. Correct? Everybody understood? What is my target? Target is nothing but security. I want to transfer. So this particular, whenever you are transferring from one special GL to another special GL, one GL to special GL, or one special GL to GL, then you need to map like this first of all. Then only it is easy to understand. Or whenever you are at client place, if you want to explain them clearly, okay, why you are taking debit, why you are taking credit, in the sense, we need to show this. What is my target? What is my source? Okay. Okay. First, always target has to be credit. Remember this. Target has to be credit. Because it is going out from us. Okay. And debit. Source will always debit. So first identify like what is my source and what is my target. Okay. Write down this. So try to understand this. Then it would be easy for you. What is my target? What is my source? Target would be credited. Security deposit will be credited. Source will be debited. Okay. Any questions? Target and source. Okay. I think you have written the path, right? Have you written the path?
Yes.
Yeah, right. So transaction code F-30, transfer with clearing. Okay, path again I'll reiterate. So path same as above till document entry. Till document entry. From there, select other. Select other. And from there, select transfer with clearing. Transfer with clearing. Transaction code F-30. Transaction code F-30. F-30. Okay. So now go to so here other. Here you can see here transfer with clearing. Transfer with clearing. Okay. So till accounts receivable, it's the same path. And from there, you need to select document entry. Document entry. Next one, down payment. Sorry, not down payment. Directly from document entry, select other. And from there, select F-30. Transfer with clearing. Transfer with clearing. Transfer with clearing. Okay. Give your date F4, F2. F4, F2. Reference number CV01. CV01. Okay. CV01. So transfer posting. Okay. Transfer posting. So here it should be transfer posting with clearing. So what is my target? First, we need to write target. So here target is security deposit. Target is security deposit. Customer debit. Okay. And okay, so here I'll give 09 customer special GL debit. So special GL indicator. Here we need to give, if you don't remember, then select security deposit H. See here, security deposit H. Write on this. Write on this. Okay, security deposit special GL indicator is H. How much we are transferring? How much we are transferring? 20,000, correct? So out of 30,000, we are transferring from advance receipt to special GL indicator H. That is nothing but security deposit, 20,000. Okay, press enter. Press enter. Amount 20,000. Amount to 20,000. Okay. Next one, business area BHYD. BHYD. Due on today's date F4, F2. Business area F4, F2.
Business area UH1.
I'm sorry. UHYD. Next one, transfer from special GL to special GL, correct? Transfer from special GL to special GL. And next one, right down till here. Once you're done, let me know. Amount 20,000. Amount 20,000 due on and transfer from special GL to special GL. And next, click on choose open items. 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 We need to give customer number. Customer number. Customer number. From which indicator we are transferring? We are transferring from special GL indicator A. Special GL indicator A. So remove the standard outstanding invoices. So company code, account number, customer account number, account type customer, and from which account we need to transfer special GL indicator account A. Write down this. Next, click on process open items. Click on process open items. Click on process open items. Next one, click on partial payments. Click on partial payments. And so select -30, double click on payment amount column. Sorry. We have given 09 posting, correct? I'll repeat once again, sorry, because I need to give 01. So here, the thing is, what is the mistake we made is the 17.6, right? Okay, so transfer. So here it should be instead of 09, but what we need to give? We need to give 19. So that mistake we have made. Okay. Okay, here again H. Explanation part I did correct, but here the taking I took wrong. Okay, just write it down. Just write it down. So only the debit and credit part. Okay, after this press enter. Press enter. Amount 20,000. Amount 20,000. Business area. Hyderabad. Date. Okay. Remaining everything, only that particular. Okay. So choose open items. Choose open items. The same thing repeat. Remaining everything is same. Choose open items. Customer account. Okay. Special GL indicator A. Special GL indicator A. Remove this. Okay. So standard open items. So same thing we are giving. Only that debit and credit. Process open items. Process open items. So select partial payment. Okay. Double click on payment tab. Now you can see 20,000 automatically it picked. Payment amount column 20,000. So here always not assigned to should be 0. Here not assigned to should be. Okay. Any questions here? Any questions? Okay. Click on. Okay. Click on post button. Or if you want to simulate, you can simulate. Okay. Click on post. So document display. So you can see in general ledger view. See here, entry. Automatically zero balance clearing has been updated. Advance. Because advance from customer, it was 30,000. Is this clear? Any questions still here?
No.
Okay. Just write it down this entry. Okay, so now we'll go to the reporting part. List, refresh. Okay. Page down. Okay. 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 Next step, what we will do? Customer invoice parking. Write down. Customer invoice parking. Customer invoice posting. Nothing but we are not going to post it. We are going to park it. Write down the path. SAP menu. SAP menu. So I'm showing all the things in this particular one shot. Okay, posting a document, a down payment request, advance payment, security deposit, and parking. Okay, so customer invoice posting, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, document entry, document parking, document parking, next park or edit invoice, park or edit invoice, transaction code FV70, FV70. Okay, I'll go with this. So I'll go with the basic here. Accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, next one, document parking, park or edit invoice, FV70, FV70. So we are not posting, just we are parking it. We have already discussed, right? Park documents, hold documents in the same way. Okay, invoice date F4, F2. CV01. Okay. GL account 320 100 consultancy charges. One lakh. 1 lakh. Okay, just write it down. So here it is showing a warning. See, 10,000 down payment is there because out of 30,000, 20,000 we have transferred to security deposit. So how much down payment is exist? 10,000 is exist. Correct? It is showing a soft warning message. So we can ignore this. We can ignore this and go to your business area. UHYD. Okay. Profit center. Profit center. U1000. So how many times you will enter it, that particular message will throw. Okay. So first time it will show, and here we need to show 1 lakh amount. Right? It's a soft message. Advance payment request. It will show an output message, soft message. If we ignore that, then you are making a double payment. Okay. So here we are not doing any payment. We are doing only parking. So simulate. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. You can see here, Natraj consultancy account debited. 2 consultancy charges. Okay. So if I click on save, it will park. That's it. It will only park. The document has been, see here. You won't find document display. See here. So go to FBL 5N report. So here now we will select customer number, UT01, normal items, special GL items, noted items, parked items, and as well as a vendor items. Right? All the 5 we have selected. Right? Because you know that normal item is normal, whatever, no special GL indicator, nothing. Okay, noted item is nothing but advance request. Special GR is nothing but your advance payment or security deposit that we can view. And parked item, you know that. When we will select vendor item in customer account, when we have a same vendor and he or that particular party becomes a vendor, then we will select this. Okay, click on execute. Click on execute. So 40,000 invoice purchase invoice value. Okay. So 1 lakh, it's your parked item, correct? And here you can see the 20,000. Okay, I'll show you the same special GL indicators. Special GL indicators. Okay. Fine. So here, fine, everyone.
Yes.
See here, yellow is nothing but your parked document. Actually, it has to be clear. I don't know why it's showing 35,000. It should show in green color because of that what we call debit credit problem. That is still showing as an open item, but it's okay, fine. We will do it later. Okay, any questions here?
No.
Right? So I'm showing just procedure, how we need to follow. Okay, now what we will do, we will convert this parked item into normal item. Right up, convert a parked document into normal item. Convert, or do we have? Convert parked document into normal document. Okay, write down path same as above till document entry. Path same as above till document entry. From there, select a document. From there, select document. And from there, select parked documents. Parked documents. Post or delete single screen transaction. Post or delete single screen transactions. Transaction code FV70. 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 I'll go back. Okay. So document. Okay, accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts receivable. So click on document here, not document entry. And next one here, from here, park the document. Okay. FE70. 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 FB70. So here, click on edit. So click on document, select park document, 18/5, 18/5. Because this is the document we have parked. So if you can see the document entry, park the document, see here, 18/5. So click on continue. Okay, if you want to change anything, you can change it, or you can straight away, we can post it. So click on post button. Okay, click on post button. So here, if you click again, it will be get parked. So here you need to click on post button. So here normally we will have normal screen, we will have a post button here, right? But if you click on here, then it will be show it as a save park document. So click on post button. So again, it is showing down payment request exists. Still you want to post. So yes. Now click on document. Click on display. Now you can see it's a normal document number. Okay. So earlier we have parked it and now we have converted into. Now you won't see this yellow color. You won't see this yellow color. So you can say list refresh. Okay. See, this is normal vendor invoice. See here, 1 lakh converted as an Right. Item. Any questions here? Give me a 1 second time. I'll just be back. Any questions still here?
No.
Anyone have a questions? Okay, there's nothing but your invoice now, customer invoice, DR. So advance amount still 10,000 we have. So here you can see minus 30 plus 20. Okay. Okay. 20,000 we have sent to security deposit. So we will adjust this 10,000 to difference amount to normal GL account. So write down next step. Normal document. Transfer from special GL to normal GL. So we need to adjust to the final amount, right? So write down transfer from special GL to normal GL. Write down the path. The same thing what we have done, the same thing we are doing it. Transfer from special GL to normal GL. Write down the path. Path same as above. Till document entry. Till document entry. Till document entry. And from there select down payment. Down payment. And clearing. So what we are doing, special GL, the 10,000 advance payment, which is having indicator A, and we need to convert to normal GL. We need to adjust to the payment. So F-39, F-39. Okay, I'll go with this. So SAP menu. Document entry. Down payment. Right. So hope everybody knows. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, down payment, and F-39 clearing. F-39 clearing. F-39 clearing. Okay. Okay. Out of 30,000, we have transferred to 30,000. We are out of 30,000. We have transferred 20,000 to security deposit and 10,000 balance as an advance. So this 10,000 we are going to do normal GL. Move to normal GL. Okay. Just write F4 F2. F4 F2. Company code UT01 INR currency. So reference number CV01. Transfer posting. Transfer posting. Okay. Account, customer account. Customer account. Invoice reference number automatically it will pick. Okay. Transfer from special GL to normal GL. So we can make this as a normal GL. Transfer from special GL to normal GL. Write down. Okay, click on process down payments. Click on process down payments. Click on process down payments. After entering all the details, Click on process down payments. Okay. So the out of 30,000, we are transferring only available amount is 10,000. So double click on transfer posting. So 10,000 will be get selected. Means what we are doing special GL indicator to normal GL indicator. Okay, write it down. The line item, select the line item and in transfer posting. Okay. Understood here? 30,000 was their advance payment. But out of 30,000, we have already moved 20,000 to security deposit. Correct? And whatever balance is there, now we are moving to normal GL indicator. Normal GL. Means it will become normal open item now. Okay. So click on document. Simulate. You can see here. The same special GL indicator 9A to 16. 9A to 16. It is getting reversed. Okay. Click on post. Click on post. Now see this one entry. Document, display, special general ledger. See here. Advance from customer 10,000. Trade receivable services 10,000 and it is going to hit to zero balance clearing account. Fine. Yes, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go to the reports. So refresh. So this is a vendor invoice. I know there would be a lot of confusion. See here. 10,000, 30,000 and 20,000 moved to green because it is in security deposit now. Fine, everyone. Last time in vendor also we have done the same thing. Just write down this. So 1 lakh balance is there. And here 10,000 is. Okay. Out of this 10,000, we are going to do bad debts. So now this is normal GL account. It is there in normal GL account. Right? If you see, if you have any questions, then you can just go and select here. Special GL indicator. You can view. Okay. So here select here. And this one is already there. So special GL indicator, it is showing. Say copy. Now you can see here. See here. F down payment request, till it is there. H security deposit open item. See, all advance payment has been cleared. 10,000 earlier it was an advance payment. Now it is become an open item as a normal item, no special GL indicator. So what are the items we have open now? 1 lakh plus 10,000. From customer, we need to receive. There is an invoice of 1 lakh and already advanced he has made 10,000. So 90,000 we need to still receive from the customer. Still how much we need to receive? 1 lakh invoice is generated, 10,000 already we have. Okay. So 90,000. Now what we are going to do, out of 10,000, we are going to make GL. That is nothing but bad debts. 5,000 bad debts account. Okay. Now write down normal GL to special GL indicator. Normal GL to special GL indicator. Transfer from normal GL to special GL. Okay. Where we are moving? We are moving to reserve for bad debts. Reserve for bad debts. What is our target now? Normal item is okay. And what is the where we need to move? Reserve for bad debts. So what is our target here? What is our target? Yes. Reserve for
Reserve for bad debts.
reserve for bad debts. Okay, reserve for bad debts target. This is debit and source trade payables. Sorry, trade receivables. Our asset is getting decreased by 5,000. Expense is increased by, loss is increased by 5,000 and asset is decreased by 5,000. Okay. Fine, everyone. So what is the, hope you have done this. So path till document entry, it is the same. Path till document entry, it is the same. And from there select other. From there select other. And transfer with clearing. Transfer with clearing. Transaction code F-30. Transaction code F-30. Transaction code F-30. So we will go with F-30. Okay. So careful here. F4, F2. F4, F2 document date. Reference number CV01. Document heading, header text. Transfer posting. Okay. So here now 09. 09 special GL debit. So the same thing we did, right? Special GL reserve for bad debt. Special GL, this is special GL debit. Right. So here vendor account 5,70,000. What is the reserve for bad debt special GL indicator? What is the reserve for bad debt special GL indicator? F for down payment, A for advance, H for security, R for retention. Don't forget this, E for reserve for bad debts. E for reserve for bad debts. Write down this. E for reserve for bad debts. Okay. Okay. Special GL indicator E. Okay. Amount 5,000. Enter and 5,000. Value date due on F4, F2. So here we are doing normal GL to special GL, correct? Normal GL transfer to special GL. Write on this. Or you can write it as a transfer from normal GL to special GL. Normal GL to special. Is it done, everyone? So we are transferring 5,000. 10 out of 10,000, we are transferring 5,000 from normal to special GL. Click on choose open items. Click on choose open items. Customer number. customer number, write down. Click on process open items. If it is we are transferring from special GL, then we need to give the special GL here. Okay, it's outstanding invoice of 10,000, correct? So that's the reason we are not giving any special GL indicator and we are selecting standard outstanding invoices, right? Click on process open items. Click on process open items. So here uncheck this. So click on partial payment tab. Click on partial payment tab. Click on partial payment tab. So what I'll do. So 1 lakh, select 1 lakh and double click on payment amount. So 5,000. Okay, just write it down. Select 1 lakh amount. Okay, 5,000. Means outstanding was 1 lakh. Okay. We have already received this 10,000 because we are not already, if we receive, then we can't make a provision, right? How much we need to receive from customer? 1 lakh. Out of 1 lakh, we are making a 5,000 provision. Already we discussed in the last session. What do you mean by provision for bad debts? Clear? Document, simulate and save it. See this. So click on post. Okay, document was generated. If you want to check, click on document, display, general ledger. So here it will show trade receivable. See here, special GL indicator. Special GL indicator. If you see in entry view, it is showing 09E Natraj Consultancies to this. Fine, everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So the rest of the steps are also similar. See here. Customer receipt with balance clear. Write down. Customer receipt with, I'll show only this one. And this transfer for reserve for bad debts to bad debts, we will leave this. Because it's similar to whatever steps we have done. Okay, next one. Customer receipt with balance clear. SAP menu. Path same as above. Till document entry. Till document entry. From there select incoming payments. From there select incoming payments F-28. F-28. Okay. So select F-28. Incoming payments F-28. Right, we know already path, so that's the reason I'm not dictating. So incoming payment, document date, F4, F2. Okay, a reference number, CV01. Clearing text, customer receipt. Customer receipt. Bank account number 2,40,000. So I'm giving any amount here. 1. Okay. Text. Customer incoming payment. Customer incoming payment. Customer account. Just write it down. Just write it down. Customer receipt 2,40,000 cash account. I'm giving any number amount because we have done that particular wrong. So that's the reason it will deviate. Click on process open items. Click on process open items. Click on process open items. Okay. Click on process open items. We need to select all these items. 10,000, 5,000, 1 lakh amount and 40,000 vendor invoice. See, you can see here KR. Okay, select all items. Okay. 5,000 reserve for bad debts. 10,000 advance amount. Right, one customer invoice and vendor invoice. Understood, everyone? 10,000 is an advance. Out of that, 5,000 is what is that? Bad debts. 1 lakh is customer invoice. See here, minus 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 1 lakh. Okay, click on document overview button. Click on document overview button. Click on document overview button. Double click on cash account. Double click on cash account and press star. Press star. Press star. Press enter. So document, simulate, see here, 0. And post. That's it. Document has been got generated. Okay, go to document, display. So general ledger. See here. It is not showing 1 lakh. Why it is showing 95,000? Because 5,000 we kept it for reserved for bad debts. So 95,000 only it is showing. Clear? Any questions here? How much it is? See, cash account is debited. How much we are receiving? 45,000 and everything is adjusted here. Customer 40,000, right? Invoice, vendor invoice 40,000, 95,000 is adjusted. Okay, minus 95,000, 10,000. So total how much we need to receive from a customer? We have received from a customer 45,000. Clear, everyone? Yes. No?
Yes.
So if you go to the report. See here, this 40,000 invoice is also cleared. 40, 0. Okay, next one. You can see here, everything is cleared. 20. And this 5,000 is left out with, see 35,000, this 15. Okay, 35,000 plus and 20,000, 15,000. Out of 15,000, we have made 5,000 as an bad debts. And out of this 5,000, the balance 10,000, we have paid the amount. Clear? So this is the report. Okay. Both vendor has been cleared and vendor has been cleared. So it is affecting in trade receivables here. Ultra payables trade payables and ultra receivables. Any questions still here? So this is about your vendor versus customer versus vendor. We have seen customer accounts, and separately we have seen vendor accounts, vendor with special GL also we saw in APR. Any questions here? Any questions? If at all any questions, please let me know. Yes, no.
Yes.
No, right? And the most important thing in this to understand what has to be special GL, what is a noted item. Okay. If you have any sort of that confusion is there, then we can't do the configuration of this. So don't check with end user level, check with the consulting level, how configurations we are making, how the special GL indicators we are indicating. So the focus more on that particular point. Clear? So
Yes.
yeah, one more thing. Tomorrow, what I would like to do is I want to take one technical session before starting to banking module. So tomorrow we are done with the AP AR module as of now. Clear? In AP module also we have few more things. Payments, automatic payment process is left out. That I'll show you once we are done, because automatic payment process we need to do in the sense, first we need to do a banking module. Hope you got my point. Automatic payment process. So for that, we need to do banking module. So how to create a checks, how to create a banking. So all those stuff, manual payment, automatic payment process, that we are going to see in next sessions. But before that, what I would like to do is, I would like to take one technical session. So by evening, I'll update you by 7:30, 8 o'clock. I'll update you tomorrow whether we have a morning session or tomorrow afternoon session. Before starting a banking module, I would like to give you the overview of technical. So like as already we saw R1, R2, R3 environment architecture. And tomorrow in technical session, we are going to see what do you mean by cloud, what do you mean by in-memory, and how the S/4HANA structure is there. Clear? And if everyone, other batches people are also accept, then I'll take the session at 2:30 to 4:30. If not, tomorrow morning we will continue. We will continue with our banking module. According to others' opinion, we will start some other weekend. We will take the technical session. Okay, if technical session is there, then we will not have a morning session. Directly, we will have a 2:30 to 4:30, and which is very important session. And the recordings will not be provided for that. Again, I'm telling you, the recordings will not be provided for that. And that is not again in our course. That is an additional thing which we are going to cover. Okay, R1, R2, R3 already I have given and I have provided a recording. Okay, so again, I am reiterating, any project classes, I will not give you the recordings, right? And same time, any special technical classes I'm going to take, I won't give you a recording because that should not be given any recordings. Hope you got my point.
Yes.
Naveen, for this session,
Sorry.
for the future meetings, right? For the future Zoom meetings.
I didn't get you. Can you please?
You